Hello guys, and welcome to episode 3 of the £100 account challenge. Now, apologies, this episode has been a little bit delayed. Unfortunately, the market conditions just haven't been great over this past week. I've had many orders in on this £100 account and had price come very close to filling those orders and then running off to target without us. So, it's been very frustrating, but there's been no point in me actually putting out an episode because, there's been pretty much no trading going on. Now, I have executed a trade on Euro Pound, which is currently running around about 12-13% in profit at the minute, again, which is absolutely awesome. Looking to get maybe 15 to 20% out of this trade. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you an analysis breakdown of this trade and why I took it, and then I'll catch up with you when we are managing that trade. So we're starting off on the daily here on Euro Pound. A level that I'd been watching for a while and a failed trade that I'd actually been in last week on my personal account was a retest of the high below this daily swing point, right? So price has broken up and out of this daily level. I was looking for price to return to some structure below market, below that level, and actually get involved in a long for a run on the highs. Now, subsequently, from then, price has got a little bit of rejection from this kind of area. We've put in a good few bullish candles, and then we actually did close back up through this level. However, that was soon undone and reversed in yesterday's candle. So moving forward into today, from this hourly time frame, a couple of things I was looking at was this small hourly trend line that we had in there, and of course I wanted to see how price would react to this structure, which is obviously weighing above market. Now, if I just track forward in price, tracking forward in price here, you can see price put in spinning tops just off of that level of structure. Again, if you do our course or any of our education, you know that spinning tops and bottoms are an entry cue for us. However, I did miss this, right? This was at 7 AM, so we were still on the way into the office. I actually missed this little entry indication. However, what I'd done was, after seeing an impulsive continuation, I got a pending order in on this low here. And as price traded up, you can see on this trading view chart, it doesn't look like it would have activated. However, we did actually get a fill on that order there. Since then, we can see price has followed through, and we've seen a little bit of a bearish continuation towards this low, which is our overall target. If I just show you what this trade looked like at outset, I had a stop just beyond the high of this candle, which broke down through this level here. So stop was in there around 22-23 pips, and my target is down there for a nice 1 to 4 risk reward. If I open up my account here on MetaTrader, you can see this position. I have actually trailed my stop to beyond the high of this candle here for around £351 loss on my personal account. And then on the £100 account challenge, which I brought over onto the screen now, you can see that is at about £4 loss, and we're running just around 13% of profit. So trade's looking really good at the moment. I'll be sure to keep you updated as we go throughout the day, and if I do any more management on this position. Now that is about going to wrap up episode 3 of the £100 account challenge. We made a massive 15.5% today on that trade on Euro Pound, which is absolutely excellent. I know it hasn't been the most interesting episode or the longest episode either, but that has been the biggest trade of this challenge so far. Now, to show you this on MetaTrader, and I'm just using dark mode here so it focuses a bit better. So you can actually see, if I tap that, you can see that trade, the stop loss, the entry, etc. And then if I take you back onto this page, you can see the overall account balance is now £128. So we're up 28% on this account in just 3 episodes. Even though last episode was a little bit of a break-even one, we've managed to still make 28% on the account, which I'm really pumped about. We do not recommend using 5% risk, right? So at the start of the challenge, we said we wanted to treat this in a professional manner, and really what we want to do is just try and stay as consistent as possible. We initially had planned to do 4% risk. I then decided to make that 5 just to make calculating things a little bit easier. But we recommend 1 to 2% risk. Like I said in the previous 2 episodes, any more than that, you could seriously do a lot of harm to your account. Remember, this is just a challenge. This is not the way we would advise you to trade. Now, a little note on risk management as well. We recommend that you use the app Stinu. So I can show you that now. It looks something like this. So you can see you put in your account balance, your risk percentage that you're aiming for, and then your stop loss in pips. So I'll put in 128, 5% risk, let's say 25 pips, and then you choose the currency pair that you're trading, euro pound, like so. And then if I just hit that, it will then tell you what lot size you should be using for the stop loss size that you've chosen. So really what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to stay on top of your risk and make sure that you're consistent with your losses, right? One of the, literally the most important part of trading for me is risk management, because making sure that each time you lose, you're losing the same amount means that, if you're trading and applying the correct risk to reward, 1 win is going to eradicate, 5, 6 losses in some cases. That is a very important thing. If we're losing just £5 when we're wrong on 5% risk, and then our winning trades are anywhere from 12 to 15% as they have been, we could realistically lose 3 trades and win 1 and be back to where we were. So risk management, very, very important. Please do not just simply copy the way we're doing things on this challenge, as it is just a challenge. But anyway, guys, if you did enjoy this episode and you want to see more, please do drop it a like and consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.